Porak, 5 at Golden na 1. Shake hands, both teams. Ang mga shake hands, both teams.
Tingnan mo lang kung nakatabi mo, ulitin ko. Amin na.
Ayun po, players po. Sagitan na po muna ang players. First points brought away for Big Admiral. And now here's the all the nice live out for today. Miss Rocky Bagay Wesley. Inside, 2-pointers here for the layout. No looks on. Scored nothing on. It's live right now, 10 seconds to go. Over. Miss Mariah Chia. Down low. Best position. 5 seconds. Something at high for 3. Miss another. But we have to get some down. The foul will take over. Player number 30. Benoy. This was one on the right side, Morgan. Place down for 3. Mr. Here's now on the run. There's a 41 break. Somebody can all lays it on. Now it's the free throw line. There's Morgan. There's Steele. Now here's the battle. Oh, the way he dances to the play. Vega. Goes in there, Faldo. See on one. They go to the now. Now, so we're going to that's the 7th nothing run para sa Golden to 1, and now here's Benoy settling up, looking for another 3, 1 7, no! Focus is on, Marvin Bertrand. They got on the way. Let's go now. That's a foul ball for the number. That is a line holder number. There's a foul will take number 4. Allows him to get eye, please, personal foul. First team foul, shooting 0, arching 17.
Rest.
Yes, it's the out of 2. To shoot. Now here's Melo on the run. Here's the conclusion. the foul, player number 16, Danana. First personal foul, second team foul substitution. Once another checks in. Replacing Boyer. Positions moves through. Goes into one.
Rest.
Here's down to one of the way. Danana, once he got it, that's it too. That was another win. The first points coming from the bench. Marvin, 3! 8 points down by Marvin. On the right side, sending things up. Pansinado. Inside, looks at the rest of the team. Bunson down on the run. Field presentation. Mestarello. And now player number 25, Jamaran. Plays behind the first personal foul. Foul. As the other inside right down. Now it's going to go on. 6 points. There's the lead. That's a foul. Ball committed by player number 20. Player number 20. First personal foul. 13 foul substitution. Joselo tries to replace him. Cardoso. Arno Padre. Miss. Rebound down from Ensenada. Here's Steph. Player number 25, second personal foul, 13 foul. That's it. That's a carry over. Possession request by Malasang going to go one substitution. Tabayan, Trevor Jackson, replacing Sones Montagara. Azanada. 5 seconds to go. Lovely play. Miss shot. Rebound down the right. 17 ball. Ready to go. Possession with mistake. 16 seconds on the shot clock.
Ay, yung bata, ilabas nyo! Sumasagasaan yung bata!
there. And so I go, now for the Generals. So I got it back to the now. And now here's Clay Brazil. No. Possession free throw. Puro 5. This will be a little bit more than 14 seconds to go. Inside. This one, now here's Kaz with the ball on the run. The ball goes around to Tito. Here's Tanya. Martin. One for Morante. Jonah Palestino. 3-pointers in. Yeah, the 2-point. Once in a minute now, we get at the first quarter. 16-15. Algerado agrees personal foul, warning for penalty. 15 seconds on the shot clock. More than a play. Ball game. 3 there. And now it's back to William Dolan. Waiting seconds to go. Goes in the right block. Thomas Lee, Donato. Ruel, thanks for all. And the rebound is only the one. Pinagawa ko yung receiver, pinagawa naman kanino. Kenara. On the clock, Rebalo, Joker, almost without the ball. Rebound to Nada. That gets it down. Player number 23, Marvin Sutter, Bruce Bristleville, Bruce Steedville. Coming for defense, Garcia. Then, on the short clock, Colorado forcing the shot list, Norman on the rebound, bounce it off. And that's the ball for the first personal foul, second team foul. Miranda, bigyan mo lang ng win. Garcia na dyan. Pagkain po ito in 3. Here's Suarez, and what a ready. Stop it right there. This one. This is what it is. The one-hander is here, Makmak. Makmak, Revoldo, 9 points. Iwan pa rin natin. Outside, 10 seconds to go. Cohen. The lead, 5 seconds. 3 pointers ahead, Marabay. The lead. And now here's the number 7 himself. The leading scorer as of now is Brandon Benoit. Oliver J. No. Here's Jeff Masinada. And that's a first steal. To be now all alone. There's the lead. Here pa lang na kay Morante. 15 seconds to go. 14. Roman. Gets left the lead. 8 seconds to go. And that's a turnover. Then Laman, wake up his man. Let's wrap the whole game. 6 minutes and 21 seconds remaining. Foul number 4. Something personal foul, first team foul. And now here's Nelson Miguel. He's going to himself on the move. Mendoza has it over by Miguel. One-hander, short stab. Mendoza, clearly shot to the red. 2 points get clear by Rondo. Push 1, 31 to 30. Somebody get on. 13. 14 seconds to go. 4 seconds to go. Bigyan mo naman right there, no? Focus na Maranello. Alright, here's the third.
Rest.
One three. Yes, Mara. Ultimate play number 17, second person foul, 13 foul.
Rest.
For the 23. Forty to shoot.
Rest.
All the way, one big angle. Archers of the lead. That's the one foul over number 5. First personal foul, 17 foul shooting. Bonus throw.
Rest.
The shot, kapag sa totoo naman ng Toroxito. Another steal. Another steal. And there's a big mover.
Rest.
We'll see it all right now. Jordan. And defense. Joel Morcino. Double play number 16. Obama second personal foul, 13 foul. And chance to make a three-point play. Para kay Joel Morcino.
Rest.
Here's Canada 7 minutes up. Remarkable. Stop and block. Let's go inside. foul, winning for Bogey. And shooting good para kay Ryan Galara.
Rest.
14-25, still a 1-point lead para sa Faustino. Inside, Faustino, 3 points there, Joel Faustino. 7-point lead now, and now here's Galara setting up on the free throw line, 2-point is in, Ryan Galara.
Rest.
And now here's Gagoy trying to make an answer. We're gonna para kay Doc. We're gonna para kay Joel Faustino, same spot. Different result. And now here's the Galara. We're gonna para now. Long three. No. And rebound now para kay Joel Faustino para kay Severin. On the spin. Stop and step. And Robin. Gonzalez and gets a foul. Player number 28, Joel Faustino, second personal foul penalty. Shooting two. Player number 9, Randall Cardoso.
Yung dalawa, mga nagmamaruhana.
One down to two.
Rest.
One down, that's another foul. Player number 28, third personal foul penalty. Substitution. Para pa sa Jackson. Replacing Joel Faustino.
Rest.
42-13. Yes, step. Kasinada. Yeah, Kasinada. 9 points now para Kasinada. Deliver na Alan Brother. Pwede pa na ba yung 17? 17 and gets a foul. Play for Lloyd, first personal foul, 14 foul, warning for Volky.
Aray ko!
Rest.
One out of zero. Then down low, jab, Kasinada. 11 points, space by the Warriors, Tampa, 14 seconds to go. Here's that, that's a foul.
Rest.
17 first personal foul penalty. Shooting two, Jeff, what's another? One out of center, number 43. 8 seconds remaining. 1 second, 2 seconds. First half, 25 to 43. 2-point defense of 82-1.
Rest.
Now here's the other side of the result. On the middle, bigay pala para kay Solis. Kay now, block shot, wala kinuha ng rebound. Bigay pala para kay Luzon. And now here's the other side of the result. Bigay pala para kay Penoy. Inside. And that's a turnover. And now here's now, so may allies in the things up. Bigay mo lang right side, bigay mo lang para kanino. Kailangan, Tupoy, Benko, 14 seconds to go. There's Ryan. Ryan for 3. So far, 40 down, there's a bowling run. Now here's Bella, bigay mo lang para kanino. Bonson, plays off, no. Higa para kay Morocco. Available to player number 20. That's the personal foul. First team foul here at the third. Straight. And then three-pointer para kay Morante. And now here's the other side of the result. We go on the right side now. Surigabay. Bigay mo lang kay Boyet. May 3. Best na kay Teta. Solis, Nazareth, Metro. Now for the number 9. Mark Una. On the run with the first personal foul. First team foul. And shooting to by Solis. To 46. Morante, mostly by Boyet. And that's the 3-pointers get by Solis. First place by him, 50 to 46. Up by 4-point lead now para sa Pumping Bill 1. Bonson looking for Marvin. Eno, para kay Meloy. Inside, Borday, and that's a 2-pointer steal. Para kay Meloy. Second place down for him. Benana. Pinay pala pala yung Sinaga. 15 seconds to go. Looking for the damn Gillespie. Wala pa rin Nilara. Ryan Boyet. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Inside, Solis. And that's the 2-pointers down for Solis. Back-to-back points. 4 points down for Solis. 15-48. Monson, looking for Marvin. Facing now Surigabay. On the screen. Hands it over. Meloy picks it out to Morante. Inside. And that's the steal by Morante. 5 points down. 52-50. Now, kailangan kukuha ng bola. Nice and open right now. Somebody right. Down low. Now penetrated. Get defense for Ayuna. Barate na ang mga Roman. Stand. And pass is one. Third over. And now here's the number now. 7 minutes up. Jack Alcinaga. Look for Ryan. Then out on their mid. Comes Ryan and there's a foul. Player number 37 Crystal foul. 17 fouls substitution. Now back to all the Jackson replacing Point Mega.
Yamak, tumayo ka!
Back on the hard court, replacing Roel Ferrante.
Rest.
Ferrante inside. That's a double foul. Player number 27, third personal foul by the Venezuelans. And on the second personal foul. Substitution. Pasok po.
Rest.
Marcano. That's a good three-pointer. Balik. Sila naman lang pala mga nagawin yung one. Get defense. Bigyan mo lang mga sabis. Hands it over. Maraming sa kanal. Kanala with Ryan. Inside. Kicks it over. Einstein. Another steal. Another steal now. Inside in squad. There it is on the last of the team. Larry now on the ball. That is nice up. Foul on play number. Player number 20, Solis, fourth personal foul. Warning for foul out. Substitution.
Rest.
Foul play number 9, second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Chance to make a three-point play para kay RG sa gabi. Tuloy three-point play para kay sa gabi. And 11 points para sa gabi.
Rest.
On the right side, Ronaldo. Shot down down, goal scorer. Using it now as a three. Players para sa mga single. Second team lays it off. Touchdown! Straight 1 points. And Steve Cavite again para sa mga one. 57-36. Palitin sa mga single. Down low. Almost a police ball. Pitch up na para sa team. And foul. Foul and player number 0. First personal foul. Penalty. 28-26. And now here's the number, Sterling Zop.
Rest.
15 seconds on the shot clock. Up now. Good. Aim again here at the inner corner. 20-25. Rapid replay. No. 17 on the boundary. Rebound. Put down. No good. That's a triple. Possession goal to stay.
Rest.
Ano possession po? Possession goes to Porostingo. There's a man. Kicks it over for Meloy. 15 seconds to go. Meloy. Inside. Mosby. Meloy. 9 points now for him. Ryan now, they're not a chance to win a point. They want to go down. Okay. So they can now on the rebound. They want to find the sun. Again. Pass it to Swingtail. Inside. And that's a two.
Rest.
Woodson had another point. 4 points for him. 63-58. Now, a loving foul. Although they were 8. Face personal foul, 14 down, 1 for Melody. And Bravo touched in, replacing player number 9, Tambosa. Fourteen seconds on the shot clock.
Big.
10 seconds to shoot. Yeah, what's in Nada inside? No. Here's Nada. Here's Mariona. Again, the foul on number 1. Knock. Without the first personal foul penalty, shooting field long. Oh no.
Rest.
Stay out the trail, 64-16. And now here's Osinaga. Starting things off, trying to make an answer. They want to break it out of Ryan. On the middle. Shot of Wayne down, 10 seconds to Margaret. Ryan. 8 seconds to shoot. And that same spot. Different result. Rebound down for Renata. We get out for Renata. Bear down, got 1 Putos. We have all kinds of the team. Archie, gets it all best. Rebound down by Bernardo. They want to try to get Ronaldo. Gets it out. Right now, puts it up for Almeida. That's a big pass. Now, so we are not inside. Knock off. For the defensive corner. 17 points. Here's 1 million on the run. Facing now. Looking for a Manny pass. Here's Alana. Para Maneno, inside. Gets it out, second lead passes, get it good. And another foul. That ball, the player for 23, Dono. First personal foul. Chance to make a big one play. Para kay RG17. 16 points now para kay 17. Here's now. Sumunod na ay Serenade Zop. On to the middle. Post in. Forty seconds to shoot. The basket woman. Some city shoot. Is that what you're saying? And Nadia replacing. Then here's the device of the Zop. Shot clock winding down, 15 seconds remaining.
Rest.
Here's Namma, 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound again. Possession space, still for 5. And now here's Monsoy. Ang kaya sa naging Zop, iba naman ngayon. On to the middle. 50 seconds to go, Joel Palestino, 2-point rescue. Joel Palestino, 8 points now for him. And now here's Rebaldo, Angelo Aguilara. Now, somebody got out for 3. Good shot. Pasero now, on to the middle. Now, Ikaw, complete number. Player number 20. Player number 20. Point whistle now. Warning for foul down. Penalty. Again, player number 20. Warning for foul down.
Rest.
3.46 seconds remaining. There's the over versus Lino. Service to shoot. Inside. And 2-point is in. Para kay RG sa team. 18 points from that angle. 20 seconds. Here's the team. Bigay mo na kayo Jonah. 10 seconds to go. 8 seconds remaining. And now let's have the final quarter. Here's the line, hindi mo lang kinaksan. Arnel, hindi mo lang inside, 40 seconds to go. Kitty, 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Rest.
3-second violation. Representative po ng Golden Wheel 1, Seniors Division 1, Prince Coro. Thank you. Magpwede, Miss 3-pointer. Again. And Golden Wheel 1, and Prince Coro. Simple rescue. Both single and Points on second place in the round.
Rest.
Content, content.
There's Red. There's a record now 170. There's a record and that's coming over. And possession season will be moving on. And now he's working. Here's Mendoza.
Seryoso si Tito.
Takes it out. 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Rest.
Choice down. Rebound down para kay Joel. Paul Steele. Wala pa ng goal. There's better now coming for David Garcia. On the right side, jumper, Joel Pelestino. And now here's the last one on the offense. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Joel Pelestino. Gets Macarega. And position is Steele for the finisher. Once you run into the right, gets in. Replacing player number 14.
Alis na kayo, alis!
And Boy Vega. And now here's Beloy. Down now, looking for the pass. Doesn't get ball. Possession stays with the next people. 12 seconds on the shot clock.
Rest.
Let's go again. Sudah kami dalam mobil. Warren lays it off. Here's the lead. Garcia inside. Volante. That's a foul. Travel player number 9. Third personal foul. 3 steam fouls.
Rest.
There's Volante. Mr. Licuante, rebound out of the moment. 40 seconds to go. Volante inside. That's another foul. Player number 9. Fourth personal foul. Warning for backup. Second team foul. Substitution. Thomas Sexton replacing Kurt.
Rest.
On the right side, here's now, so to the right. Setting things up. Shot up, running down, 15 seconds to win. And that's a good goal. Possession seems to against the shit. Here's Mendoza.
Shooting to. Dalawa.
First pistol down. Second team down.
Shoot!
Lakas.
Rest.
Roy! Shoot mo!
Sapato. Yan. Yan.
And Roy Santos and Redmond down on 74. Now, by the way, down the middle, Danara, third personal foul, third team foul. Para kay Ryan Danara. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Substitution. 17. And Hena. Replacing Morante and Garcia. There's Hena on the right shoulder. Setting himself, 8 seconds to shoot. Solid block shot by Solis. Danara takes it over. Ronaldo.
Beaten. Oy! Nice! Offensive! Nice! Nice one! Setting! Setting! Oy!
Rest.
Then take up with the team, Columbus Nino fouled out.
Hindi, wala. Oo, diba? Balik, balik. Pwesto!
Shot clock violation.
Rest.
Seven things up. Shot clock running down, 10 seconds to record. On the right here, sitting at 99.
Ay, wala na.
Nice one!
That's a battle by Ronaldo. Ronaldo, second person down, Marty Ronaldo, 9 down, moving to 1. Good hands down, 3! 20-pointer. Two-pointers again, Isaiah Coquilada. 1 point lead, 78-77. Exciting match between the one and the one and the Roxito. Here's Mazon, bigay mo na tayo.
Rest.
Beno, Archie, second team takes it out. Quickly! Don't get rebound by second team. And that's another foul. Player number 16, 4 Substitution on Andre Saint replacing Sandro. Seventy-nine and 78. And now here's the Lara. Ryan, wala pa na i-check pag sinata. Serving stop. Taking seconds to go. Inside, play hard, go. Rebound, Mariana. Taking bola from the Ipanoy. Second key, DNC. Second key, three-pointer.
Rest.
Time now, Golden Bill 1. Wala na po tayo mga Golden Bill 1.
Rest.
Dahil naman, pinagmula ko lang sa kanina. Here's the kanina on the post. Hands over to Eteroy. Here's the kanina on the run. Pinagmula ko lang sa kanina. 10-time position. RJ, takes it out. Strikes up right there. Eteroy. Go. Iman Ganola now. Still minutes.
Edward!
And that's the run. Later, number 8, our man was on third personal foul, warning for penalty.
Shoot!
Eight to 6 to 18.
Rest.
Archie missed, rebound, tucks up Pagasonis. Another block, this is not Pagasonis, but they got one more yet. Here's Donda, stop, kicks it out there, no. Second goal is 17 on the shot clock.
Pasok si Kuya Mac! Ilan!
Now plus 3. Here's on the shot clock.
Kaya pa yan!
Rest. Rest.
Baba lang, baba!
Player number 18, second personal foul, penalty, and shooting team para kay RG17.
Rest.
Meron pa, meron.
I-replay yan dyan. Dalawa!
And shooting silver at the Iwan Sinada.
Rest.
Dalawa!
Gol!
Nice!
Finish it, Christian.
Tama!
Depensa pa naman eh.
Rest.